Broadcasting live out of College Park, Maryland, this is Cybrary Morning in Review. All the news you need to start your day, brought to you by the most trustworthy faces in news, Thor, Shelby, and Danyelle.
Welcome back to Morning in Review, your go-to local morning show where we bring you the news that matters most to you in the morning. Our first story comes on the heels of daylight savings time. According to a new study, 78.3% of all clocks are now incorrect, as people just can't seem to remember how to set them anymore. On that note, if anyone knows how to set the clock of a 2005 Honda Accord, please email me immediately so I can stop thinking I am constantly late to everything. Apologies to the surprise party I ruined over the weekend. You know who you are. Well, let's throw it over to Shelby for the weather. Shelby, how's it looking out there today?
Okay, weather, gotcha. I can do this. All right, well, if you take a look to my east over here, there is a strong gust of weather. Whoa! Coming in from the coast of Narnia, heading straight for Middle Earth. All right. I mean, when did we start doing the weather? Okay, whatever. Back to you, Thor.
Thanks, Shelby. Well, it looks like we have some breaking news coming in. Luckily, our field correspondent is on site. Danyelle, what's going on in the world today?
Breaking news, a tractor truck carrying mangoes overturned on the interstate. Mangoes are everywhere. Who's going to clean these mangoes up? This week, we are bringing you a new updated CCSP course from Cybrary.
I'm Shelby.
I'm Danyelle.
Today is November 11th. Let's get started.
This week, we are bringing you CCSP, or Certified Cloud Security Professional, from the always stellar and one of Cybrary's favorite instructors, Kelly Handerhan. This intermediate level course clocks in at just under 10 hours and will have you on your way to being fully prepared for the CCSP exam. In this course, Kelly will expertly walk you through all 6 domains of the common knowledge body of CCSP, including cloud, platform, and infrastructure security, operations, legal, and compliance. Make sure to take this course to become a cloud expert and get you to your next level.
Thank you for tuning into Cybrary Week in Review. Make sure to check back every Monday for more episodes to see what Cybrary is bringing you next. And like and subscribe.